So for you to understand these three genres, they are called genres. They are called genres or branches of written literature. For you to understand these three branches of written literature, there are some terms that are used and they are called literary devices or techniques. Devices or techniques. Now, these are terms which are used in all these three genres. So today we're going to look at some of those terms. The first term is alliteration. Alliteration, and is defined as this is the repetition of initial consonantal sounds in a line in a poem. The repetition of initial, look at this word, initial consonant sound in a line. For example, if you have this line, Betty bought bitter butter, or another line, highly delicate diplomatic duties. Now, I want us to assume that this is a line in a poem, and these two lines actually are not related. Betty bought bitter butter. You can see in this line we have the word b, ba, ba. The sound ba, 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 ba. That is alliteration. And this sound is coming at the beginning. That's what we are saying, initial. It means at the beginning of a word. And this sound must be, the sound must be in the same, the words must be in the same line for it to be alliteration. Look at the second line here. Highly delicate diplomatic duties. Delicate diplomatic duties. Again, you have the sound da, da, da. So we call this alliteration. When you repeat consonant sounds at the beginning of words in a line. In a poem, we call that alliteration. So that's the first term. The second term is called assonance. And assonance, just like alliteration, is the repetition of vowel sounds. Repetition of vowel sounds. This is repetition of vowel sounds in the same line in a poem. So when you repeat vowel sounds, we call that assonance. For example, if we have this line, rain left Wayne in pain. Lorraine left Wayne in pain. Now, this line has actually both assonance and consonant and alliteration. This alliteration, Lorraine left, that's alliteration. But in the same line, you can hear the sound pain. Lorraine, ain, Wayne, and pain. You can get a, the sound a. Pain, Wayne, Lorraine. So we have this sound. we have this sound. Ain, A and I, we have this sound. Lorraine, A. Wayne, Ain. Pain, Ain. So we have this sound. We call that assonance. We call that assonance. So when you repeat vowel sounds, we call that assonance. For example, another example can have kill and bill. Okay, so kill and bill. Weigh and lay. Weigh and lay. Weigh and lay. We have the A sound. Weigh and lay, the A sound. So we call this a assonance.